Hi traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. Have you ever struggled with drawing trend channels manually, second guessing your entries, or missing key breakout opportunities? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how the auto trading channels indicator can help you analyze the markets more effectively, spot high probability trade setups, and refine your technical strategy. Okay, so make sure you watch until the end because I'll break down exactly how this indicator works, how to set it up, and the best strategies to use it in your trading. All right, and hey, before we dive in, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more powerful trading insights. Now let us get started. All right, so what exactly is the auto trading channels indicator? I'm just going to add the indicator right away. Now, this indicator is a custom indicator, so you will have to download it from an external site. All right, you have to download it from an external source and then you add it to your indicators library. And you can see once you add the indicator to your chart, it automatically draws your channel for you. Okay, you can see how it automatically drew this channel. All right. It's a technical analysis tool that automatically identifies trend channels on your chart. Unlike drawing trend lines manually, this indicator does all the heavy lifting for you by detecting support and resistance zones, market trends, and breakout levels in real time. Okay, so it works by analyzing historical price data and dynamically adjusting the channel boundaries as price action evolves. Okay, so this makes it perfect for spotting trend continuations, reversals, and pullback opportunities without having to constantly redraw lines yourself. So instead of spending time adjusting trend lines manually, this indicator automates the process, allowing you to focus on actual trading decisions instead of charting. Now that you know what it is, let us talk about how to set it up on your chart. Okay, so of course you have to open your platform, the MetaTrader platform. All right, this is the MetaTrader platform actually, and this is, like I said before, this is a custom indicator. So whether you are using MT4 or MT5, you can download it from, you can check if it is available on the MQL5 marketplace. If it is not, another site that I usually use is Indicator Spot. Indicator Spot. You can check that and download the file, and you go to your data folder. You can click on file, you open data folder. When you open data folder, you click on MQL4, that's if you're using the MT4, or you click on MQL5 if you're using the MT5. Then you click on indicators. Then the file that you have downloaded, ensure that you copy the whether it is the ex4 file or the MQL4 source file. Okay, that's for the MT4. Then you copy it and paste it in your indicators folder. If it's MT5, then you're going to copy the EX5 file or the MQL5 source file. You copy it and paste in the indicators folder. All right. So once you have done that, you would have to restart your terminal so that the indicator will become available for use. All right. Then you can also customize the settings. Right. If you come to if you come to the parameters for the indicator, you will see that you can customize the settings. Although this is not necessary, you can just use the default settings. There's not really much to customize. This is just for the all bars value. There is no really need for any customization. But if you have a specific need, or perhaps you are familiar with this indicator and you have a strategy that needs a specific customized pattern, right, for the indicator, then you can go ahead. Fine. Then once your indicator is set up on your chart, basically just observe the channels in action. You will notice how the price respects these dynamic trend lines, bouncing off support and resistance level. So the key is to let the indicator guide your market structure analysis while combining it with other confluences like price action, candlestick patterns, and volume indicators. All right. So how can you actually use this indicator to improve your trading? Let's just go over 3 powerful ways to incorporate it into your strategy. All right. The first is trend following. Now, you can use the indicator to improve your trend identification, right? You can use it to identify strong trends and trade in the direction of the main trend. Okay, let me just I want to use another chart. Okay, let me just save this as a template. All right, so now you can see whatever currency pair that you load the indicator on is just going to automatically identify, you know, the channel for you. So now we can see that you can use this indicator to identify a trend, the prevailing trend, automatically. Okay, so when price remains inside an uptrend or a downtrend, you know, you can just look for continuation setups. Okay, like for example, if you can see that price is bouncing between support and resistance. So ideally, when the price got to this point, we would have been looking for sell opportunities, because I usually advise trading in the direction of the trend. Okay, but if the range is so wide, right, you can see that here we actually had quite a wide, we're having quite a wide you know, distance. So it is possible that, you know, we could see another, you know, upward move to this place, right? So you might want to consider, you know, looking for a buy opportunity if you get a confirmation, right? And then perhaps exit somewhere around here, right? And this sell trend seems to have started since January, around middle of January, right? So we might actually have you know, we might actually have price rise all the way to this point, and then, but if you want to trade only in the direction of the trend, then you just have to wait for the price to get to this point, and then you enter a sell. But in case of if a breakout happens, okay, then you'll be looking for a breakout opportunity, perhaps, you know, breakout and a retest. All right, because there is a possibility that a breakout could actually happen. There is no guarantee that price will rise to this place. Okay, in case of if bearish momentum prevails, we might have a breakout and then perhaps a retest. Then right after the retest, you can be looking for a sell opportunity right after the breakout. So basically, just watch out for price action. Okay, if you want to trade in the direction of the trend, watch out for, you know, continuation patterns in the trend. If you want to trade the breakouts, you watch for price to break out of the channel. Okay, because a strong breakout can signal a potential trend reversal or acceleration. And you might want to combine this with momentum indicators like the RSI, for example, like the RSI or perhaps the MACD, you know, just for confirmation, right? So you might want to combine, you know, with momentum indicators for the purpose of confirmations. Okay, now let's talk about reversal trading, right? If price consistently rejects the upper, okay, if price consistently rejects the upper or lower boundary of a channel, it could indicate a reversal is coming, right? So you might want to look for confirmation through candlestick patterns, right? Look for confirmation through candlestick patterns like, you know, pin bars or engulfing patterns, you know, before entering a trade. All right. Now, these are just a few ways to use the auto trading channels indicator, all right, to your advantage. Of course, no indicator is perfect. So always use proper risk management and confirm signals before entering trades. Now, a lot of traders make mistakes when using the indicator. So let me share 3 common mistakes to avoid with this one. The first is relying on this indicator alone. Always combine it with other tools like support and resistance levels, moving averages, or volume indicators, RSI, MACD, for the purpose of confirmations, okay? And do not force trades. Just because price touches a channel does not mean that you should enter a trade immediately, okay? Because you have to wait for confirmation signals before executing to be sure that that movement is going to continue. All right, then do not ignore the bigger picture. Do not just look at short-term channels. Always check higher time frames to get a full understanding of the market trend. Okay, avoiding these mistakes will help you get much better results using this indicator. All right, so that is it for this video, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more powerful trading insights. Drop a comment below. Have you used this indicator before? What is your experience with it? Let us chat in the comments. And remember, always trade smart and stay disciplined. See you in the next video.